Hello, I saw your question here on the discussion board. You're told the number of chocolate chip in a number of chocolate chips in a bag of chocolate chip cookies is approximately normal distributed with a mean of 1,262, standard deviation of 117. Determine the 27th percentile for the number of chocolate chips in the bag. Well, you have three options for finding this answer. You could do it by hand and table in the back of the book. You could use your calculator, or you could use StatCrunch and the normal calculator. So I chose to go into StatCrunch and use the normal calculator. And you do have videos and directions on how to access this. You go into StatCrunch, you click on Stat, and then calculators, and pick the normal calculator. And you have additional videos goes into detail. But the mean is 1,262, standard deviation is 117, and you want it 27th percentile, which you want to know which score, how many chocolate chips will have 27% or below. So you need the less than or equal to. You click on compute, and you'll get an answer, and you just enter the nearest whole number in this box. And that's all there's to it. I'll leave to you to click the compute button. Hope this helps.